if you want to do a calculation, for example, the quantity m, which is magnification given by hi divided by h naught. Okay, you go to the cell under m, type equal, and hi divided by h naught, enter. Okay, automatically it will give you the calculated value to many decimal places. Click on this cell, drag the bottom right corner, and you have all the values. Okay, do some formatting. Let's add the borders as well, all borders, and we also want to get the decimal place right. Okay, our manipulation here will be division least SF. Okay, so most of them will be 2SF, 2SF, and M should also be 2SF. So you go to the numbers, the right corner, and choose, in this case, just one decimal place. Okay, you do it for the whole, row. Okay, number, decimal place, and you have all 2SF, except the last one. Okay, the last one you increase the decimal place to 2 instead, so that the value will be 2SF as well, and just center it. Okay, and you're done.